Welcome everybody to today's CK lab. In this lab, we're going to fix problems with the deployment YAML file. So we're going to try and apply and see what the error is, and based on that, we're going to try and fix it. This is just a good practice of fixing problems that you might get during the CK exam. All right, let's get started. So first, we're going to save this file into a YAML file. Make sure we have access to a cluster. We do. It's a Minikube running on my Mac here. So let's apply the file and see what errors we get. It's a YAML file for deployment. Okay, apply fa.yaml. That's the file we just saved. So the thing I wanted to, before I get started though, if you'd like my content, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that because that helps me with YouTube's algorithm. So going forward with this lab, one thing I want to tell you about error messages from Kubernetes is they're kind of cryptic, but if you really pay close attention, there will be enough clues in there for you to figure out where the problem is. So don't get discouraged by the crypticness of the message. Just read closely and see what clues is giving you. So for example, in this case, it's telling you there's a problem in line 11. Sometimes it's the line before. So let's look at the file and see what's on line 11 or 10. So line 11 is app equals nginx. That seems to be fine. But if you look at the line above, you see almost all these lines have colon at the end because that's the beginning of an object or a map. So match labels does not have a colon at the end. So that's probably our first problem. So let's try that and see what happens. Ooh, that works. Now, the problem said there were two issues. So in terms of YAML, it looks to be just fine after that fix. So let's see if things are actually running or not. So get deploy. You see it's 0 out of 3. That means there's supposed to be 3 pods, only 0 are running. So let's look at the pods and see what's happening. You see what's happening here is these are the. So by the way, when you give it a deployment, the pods names starts with the name of the deployment and then dash some random alphanumeric, right? So that's how you know these 3 pods actually belong to this deployment. So what's the error the status that you're seeing is image pull back off. That means it can't download the image. Now, what could be the reason for that? It could be that the repo is not available, or maybe there's something wrong with the image. So let's look at, well, not with image, but something wrong with what image we told it to download. So let's look at the file again and see what image we told it. So looking at the template and then spec and then container, this is where the images come from. Name is nginx, that's fine. Images, you see there's a spelling mistake. The engine, there's supposed to be an N over here. So if we fix that, let's see if that does. So let's delete the deployment. Okay, delete, deploy. This is the first part of the name of the pod. That's how we know that's the name of the deployment. That is deleted. Let's try again. No, let's just edit in the file. Let's try again. It got created again. Let's see if this time it's any better or not. Okay, get deploy. Now it's 3 of 3, and if we do get pod, you will see the nginx pods are running and they started 10 seconds ago. So that's how you know it's working. All right, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.